Most of you wonder, why does nobody respect me? You try to be nice. You try to fit in. And yet, people ignore you, laugh at you, or worse, walk over you. But today, I'll tell you the brutal truth about why nobody respects you. Reason number 1, you have no boundaries. When someone asks for a favor, you say yes. When they treat you badly, you stay silent. When they take your time, energy, and peace, you let them. People don't respect what they can control. They respect what they can't easily use. So, next time someone disrespects your time, say no calmly. Not angry, not emotional. Just know, if you let people walk all over you, they will. And trust me, nobody respects a doormat. Reason number 2, you seek validation. You post online just to be liked. You agree with everyone just to avoid conflict. And worst of all, you change yourself so people will accept you. Let me tell you a lion's secret. The more you chase respect, the faster it runs away. Be who you are. Let them respect you, or leave. Both are fine. Humans respect those who don't need them. They sense power and independence. Reason number 3, you don't respect yourself. Do you keep promises to yourself? Or do you break them every day? When you say, I'll wake up early, I'll start working on my dream, I'll stop wasting time, and you don't follow through, your subconscious learns, I am not someone to be respected. And guess what? If you don't respect yourself, nobody else will either. So how do you fix this? 1. Set boundaries. Say no more often. 2. Stop chasing approval. Respect yourself first. 3. Keep promises to yourself, even small ones. Respect is earned in silence, not begged for a noise. Remember this. Respect is like a shadow. When you chase it, it runs. When you walk your own path, it follows. So, if nobody respects you today, start respecting yourself first. The rest will follow.